Hello, this is Dixie Cravens. I am part of Group 4. Our team members were Brianna Hanson, Marilee Austin, and myself, Dixie Cravens. And this is our website that we created. We're supposed to talk about things that were difficult. The hardest part I felt of this project was that we divided things up. We split up sections across the page. For example, this Archives Next Design card in the HTML relates more to this section, and so splitting things up across our web page here was kind of a headache, and we resolved that with a lot of positioning. It was a lot of positioning. So that was our biggest problem, and getting this CSS Zen Garden is a header 1, and getting that to come up into the bar was difficult. But I work with 2 rock stars, and they figured it out. So, favorite parts of this project. Brianna said that her favorite part was the transforms and the positioning. So, learning how to scale things and tilt things. As you can see, we've done a lot of scale and a lot of tilt. We were going for a bulletin board theme. Obviously, this is for women. We were thinking like a Relief Society page or something like that, where these announcements might change on different cards. So we have things that scale and things that tilt. And as the page size, whoops, let me see if I can grab it. As the page size comes down, things move. Again, lots of positioning. But that was our focus, was to get this bulletin board theme. So we wanted different styles of papers, and you see we have a ticket and we have some feminine touches, and then I really like this burlap background that we use in the larger screen sizes. Marilee said her favorite part of the project was Sass. She is a genius at mix-ins, and so she has some really interesting mix-ins that help us with the margins and centering and some of the positioning. And so she liked the mix-ins and the variables. And then my favorite part of the project, besides learning from these 2 rock stars that I got to be on a team with, I really enjoyed finally understanding the Chrome development tools, because I relied on them heavily to play around with different positioning, mostly positioning, and how margins and padding affect positioning. So that was my favorite thing that I learned. I also enjoyed Sass because the variables and the mix-ins and being able to nest things made the coding so much easier to keep straight and to produce something that really worked. So I hope you enjoy looking at our project, and I can't wait to see what you guys have done. Thanks.